I've done a lot of these different races all over the world. So I've done the original Divide and Conquer in Colorado. I raced that race 7 or 8 years ago. What's unique about this race is it's all really natural to this area. Like the mountain biking scene here is insane. Obviously, it's world renowned. And then same with the mountain running. And then the Capilano River is also just a world-class run, and it's all happening within a really small geographic area. I don't think you could do this race anywhere else.
When I was 20, it wasn't scary, but now that I'm 40, I'm starting to get a little scared.
Some crazy slippery stuff, and it should be fun though.
Done a couple like off-road duathlons and stuff, but nothing like this. We're a kayaker and a mountain runner.
3, 2, 1.
Stuck here in a dream.
It's incredibly wet and muddy. It's like a slip and slide coming down some of those trails.
Mud coming down and then mud slip slide and going up. Some of those trails is just like everything you hear about the North Shore. That's exactly what this is. It's like absolutely hectic. It's amazing.
I don't know. Don't see.
You got it. You can make it up.
Yes.
Go. Let it go.
Hard to spend the right amount of energy in the rapids to save enough energy for the flatwater ocean segment, which is going to be pretty difficult to be efficient through that if we're too tired.